Welcome back. Today we'll be talking about vitamin E. We'll mention the function, the deficiency symptoms, and the medications involved. Vitamin E is exclusively found in nuts and seeds, and it's a very strong antioxidant. The analogs for vitamin E are medications that start with the word toco. We use them to enhance the effect of warfarin and for Alzheimer's disease. Deficiency of vitamin E will cause hemolytic anemia, and toxicity will cause blood thinning. And here's a small quiz for you. So what neurons are most vulnerable to damage by vitamin E deficiency? And what are the medications that are derived from vitamin E? And here are the answers. Alright guys, that's everything I've got. Hopefully I made this easier for you. Thanks a ton for watching, and I'll see you guys later.